So let's talk about financing tax liabilities. High level, I know you've got some slides to walk through, which I appreciate because as I've gone through this, understanding how it works and the mechanisms, it can be confusing. So let's start high level, financing tax liabilities, and then let's jump into some detail.
Yeah, I mean, I think that, and I'll certainly walk through a few slides, but I think that conceptually, just real high level, it's all about retaining more value for the clients.
Hmm.
So a lot of times we'll see different types of liquidity events. We will see folks that are really making great money, building a great business, and really having a ton of success. And then a real big portion of that, a significant portion, is eroded. The value of that is eroded with the tax liability related to that success or related to that savings, and then different liquidity events.
Yeah.
And so, for us, the way that we position it is, especially for business owners, if they saw some type of leakage in their business where they're
Yep.
losing value, they would do something about it. They would address it. And
Yeah.
so, that's all we're looking to be able to do with these strategies and solutions. And a big part of it is an education process. A
Yeah.
lot of folks look at life insurance as purely an expense and a death benefit and really nothing in between. And,
Hmm.
and part of the process of what we're looking to be able to do is educate them that ultimately a life insurance policy can be used in different ways. And really, it's just the wrapper, at the end of the day with the solution that we're bringing. It's about
Hmm.
securing really friendly tax code that's been around, really, since 1913 that can benefit all of us. And just looking for different ways to be able to show folks, hey, you can do something about this erosion of value that's happening with taxes, and let's create different ways for them to benefit from it.
When I was going through your presentation earlier, it's pretty amazing how uh, the different creative solutions that you can create to prevent that leakage that you talk about. And one of the reasons why I wanted you on here is to help highlight the fact that with a little creativity, some work, and using the tools that are in place, you can save a fortune. You gotta work through it, and you gotta know where to turn. And I think life insurance in and of itself can be very confusing for a lot of different people. And when your head is down in your business or your family office, getting these resources and understanding what's out there can be challenging. So